morning to one and all gathered here today on this online platform. I take this opportunity to wish the parents, teachers, and my dear students a very happy Independence Day, and also a happy feast of the Assumption of Mother Mary into heaven. My dear students, every year, 15th of August is celebrated with great joy. And why this joy? Joy that we have become free citizens. We enjoy the rights and duties that we all deserve. But I would like to ask you, my dear students, we are all aware of our rights, isn't it? Yes, very much we are aware of all our rights. Our rights to education, freedom, food, shelter, clothing, speech, and we can go on. And so, along with our rights, do we practice our duties? And you will ask me, my dear students, what duties you can practice as children? Yes, we have a number of duties to perform. And so today, I would like to leave you with a few questions you can ponder upon or think about and answer to yourself. Firstly, do we perform the duty of prayer? Do we pray for each other and the entire world? Do we give importance to our studies? Or do we take the no-fail policy as our right? Do we take the automatic promotion system for granted? Or do we work hard in our studies and try to score high in our school grades and pass on our own accord? Also, do we help a friend, a neighbor who is in need, maybe of notes, of explanation videos that you receive timely from your teachers, or even internet connection? As you all know, we all face network issues, and so there may be a neighbor, a friend, a relative whom you can reach out to. Do we reach out to them? If your answer is yes, do continue to do better and God will bless you. If your answer is no, give a thought and see how you can reach out to others in different ways. You can try and God will bless you. And together we all work hand in hand, and this place, Goa, our country, India, will be a better place for all of us to live in. Once again, I wish you all a happy day. May God bless you all. Jai Hind.
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, वतन वतन मेरे अध्यापिका, सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार और मेरी तरफ से आपको 75वें स्वतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन से आजाद होकर 74 साल पूरे हो गए हैं। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपके समक्ष देश प्रेम की भावना से ओतप्रोत 2 शब्द रखने जा रहा हूँ। आओ झुककर करे सलाम उनको, आओ झुककर करे सलाम उनको, जिनके हिस्से में यह मुक्काम आता है। खुश नसीब होते हैं वो लोग, खुश नसीब होते हैं वो लोग जिनका लहू इस देश के काम आता है। आज का दिन कोई साधारण दिन नहीं है। आज के दिन को पाने के लिए सारे वीरों और वीरांगनियों को अपनी कुर्बानी देनी पड़ी है। अंग्रेजों का अन्याय अत्याचार सहना पड़ा है। इसी वीरों के अथक संघर्ष और बलिदान के कारण 15 अगस्त 1947 को भारत ब्रिटिश शासन से आजाद हुआ। हमें गुलामी की जंजीरों से आजाद कराने के लिए उन वीरों ने अपनी जान की आहुति दे दी। सचमुच आसान नहीं थी यह खुशियां पा लेना, आसान नहीं थी यह आजादी की जंग। जब पूरी दुनिया सो रही थी तब हमारा भारत जाग रहा था, क्योंकि उनके मन में एक ही चीज दौड़ रही थी कि हमें आजादी की जंग जीतनी होगी। हमें उन वीरों और वीरांगनाओं के अथक संघर्ष और बलिदान को कभी नहीं भूलना चाहिए, जिसके कारण हमें और हमारे देश को आजादी मिली है।
Respected headmistress, teachers and my dear friends, 15th August is the most remarkable day in Indian history and is celebrated with great joy and pomp to mark India's independence from the colonial rule. Every Indian celebrates this day with a sense of nationalism and patriotism, with festivities and with pride to show the unity of our country, which is so diverse in its customs and traditions. We also take this day to pay tribute to our freedom fighters who have fought tirelessly for our independence. If we turn the pages of India's independence history, we see how the defeat of Indians in the Battle of Plassey paved the way for the British to gain a firm foothold in Indian politics, which then led to the entire capture of India. Many leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Bipin Chandra Pal and many more to mention were the pillars of our freedom movement. After a long and difficult struggle, India finally got its independence in 1947 from the British rule. This led to the partition of our country into India and Pakistan, thus changing India's demography. India has since come a long way, leaving a string of landmarks that define its journey from the agony of partition to a strong, powerful and developing country. In its 74 years of independence, India has built a modern economy, remained a democracy and has become a space and nuclear power. We as young citizens should strive to make India a country where there is no discrimination based on caste, color, gender and economic status, to peak development in its true sense, to make India self-sufficient in all areas. Thank you. Jai Hind.
मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन, इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसकी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे ये वतन, इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन। इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। है वतन है वतन